try and fix some panniers to my Tiger 1200 Rally Pro Explorer. I have got the top box, but here things are ridiculously expensive here in India, so I have purchased some cloth bags from the UK, which are probably about half the price in the UK, but I've just got to put the mounting kit onto this bike, so let's have a go.
I hope I don't look too slow, talking too loud, make sure I don't hear that call, just smile a smidge so that I can't be called a bitch, eyes up on the daily, nah, I refuse to crawl.
And it comes with your fixing nuts, fixing one to stop the nuts from working their way loose, which will happen, and then a washer.
Deal with it, can't seem to make it have that much sense.
Right, put that there, putting in pacer, and then a little bit of lock tie. I always like to do that lock tie, I'm going to work my way loose.
I'm done with it. Deal with it. Well, I'm just checking. Do you always feel this threat? No, I can't explain how it feels to be put up on display. That's always been the way. Does that mean that it has to stay? Can't smile too wide, cause then they'll think that I wanna confide. Build it up so they can't see what's on the other side.
It's something about your vibe and your essence. It was only for a couple of seconds, but I really fell in love with your presence. I graded that an A+ pretty. She said her makeup fitty. I told her with or without it, I'm breathless. We kicking it like Tekken. No, we ain't running from nobody, girl, we stepping. No, I ain't got time to play, cause I'm bringing that check in. If ever you feel threatened, I got you where my chest is. Just check in. On one hand, I'm feeling like it's the right move. Other hand, saying love a game that you might lose. She down to ride in whatever lane that I choose. She 5'7" and heels built like a haiku. White coupe, the top poop. We making boss moves. Shotty strapped up, gon' bust if you make a false move. Back then, they slept on us. We let them all snooze. Trapped in my cold heart, but you make the walls move. Yeah.
Can't seem to make it have that much sense. You're making me hold back to what expense. I'm done with it. Deal with it. Well, I'm just checking. Do you always feel this threat? Can't seem to make it have that much sense. You're making me hold back to what expense. I'm done with it. Deal with it.
Now,
Well, I'm just checking.
let's see if it fits. So this is the case, let me just do it up. The pannier that I bought. Got a key locking mechanism. Slip in that there. Push this in here. And then this thing locks. Locks everything in place. Right, let's give it a go. So this thing has to be pushed hard against here. Then you have to pull the lever out or in. Lock it in place. Take the key out. That didn't take long. Very happy with that. Makes the bike look much chunkier, a lot more street presence. That's what we're all about. Street presence, people. Own the road. Yeah, very happy with that.